Hey guys, I'm Saion Gupta and I'm 11 years old. I'm the founder of 10xkids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So without any delay, let's get started. And as you can see, I have the guitar in my hand. You must be thinking, I'm gonna play a song and sing it. Yeah, you are correct. I'm gonna play a song and sing it also. But this is quite a special song because I have made this song myself. I have composed this song and I've taken out the chords myself. I am singing it myself. So this is gonna be fun. So without any delay, let's get started. And this song is basically for people who are suffering from COVID-19 and they need some motivation. And the name of the song is We Will Stay Strong. So without any delay, let's get started. Dab. 3, 2, 1, go. We will stay strong. If we can't, that's wrong. We will stay in unity. We'll always do our duty. We will stay strong. If we can't, that is wrong. We will be nice. We will save lives. We will stay strong. If we can't, that is wrong. We will all fight. We will with all our might. We will all fight COVID-19 with all our mind. We will stay strong. If we can't, that is wrong. We will stay in unity. We will always do our duty. We will stay strong. If we can't, that is wrong. We will be nice. We will save lives. We will stay strong. We can't, that is wrong. We will all fight. We will with all our might. We will all fight COVID-19 with all our might. We will stay strong. If we can't, that is wrong. So thank you guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Damn.